Hey y'all, welcome back. So don't hate me. I know I said that I was going to be making a two-part video, but unfortunately this is going to be a three-parter. This is part two. I haven't had the time to finish the knife yet, so I'm just showing you a little bit of the in-between of my normal process. So hope you guys enjoy. Don't send me any hate comments. Appreciate it. So here's my typical design process. Uh, that day I was getting some creative block. Couldn't come up with a design that I liked at all. So you'll see in here in a minute that I'm going to pull a design that I've already had, that I already drew out. It was for a commission piece that actually never happened. So I actually like that design a lot better than what I was making on this paper. So that's how that goes sometimes. Okay, so we're reaching the end of the video. Just making some pinholes and some weight reduction holes to give the knife proper balance. Stay tuned for the third and final installment of this video within the next couple weeks. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please thumbs up that sucker and leave a comment and subscribe. Appreciate it.